What's going on, guys? My name is Sean. Welcome to Boundaries Unlimited. In today's video, it's more of an overview of what we did to Kseniya's closet. We did a complete remodel. First off, we went ahead and tore down the existing shelves that were already there. After we did that, we put up wallpaper, we built custom shelves, and then after that, we did a can light conversion so we could hang a chandelier. I know, Kseniya, you wanted a chandelier. So if you guys are interested in how we built the shelves, how we did the wallpaper, I have a video right here, and that's a DIY 30-minute video, which I break down every step that we took to redo my closet, which was exactly the same, minus the can light conversion, which if you guys are interested, I can make a video for that. It's pretty simple. If you guys are interested, like I said, the video is up there. Total price breakdown, so it cost us $650 to go ahead and do a complete remodel of her master bedroom closet, which looks 9-day difference. And I think when we go to sell this house in the future, it will add a lot of value between my closet and her closet. Total time involved, probably about 25 to 30 hours is what it took me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and like the video, really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe for more videos, and we will see you guys in the next one.
I think I'm losing my mind.
All the final woodwork is done. Now it's just time to make it pretty.